travel that way. 'Cause
Oh
they say
yeah,
there's
because
tornado
going the
sirens going
way.
off in Fremont. It's almost like the dark clouds are just kind of moving away from us.
Yeah, this is the darkest part of the cloud.
Yeah.
That's very low.
Yeah. Well, and then if you can see, some of the clouds look like bubbles,
Okay.
and sometimes those bubble clouds turn into tornadoes.
You see, that's where this cloud here is going this way, and then this one's going that way.
Yeah, and they're just moving.
These are just moving like, oh my goodness.
That's scary to me, looking at that. That's so low.